I was afi the air can a addition and ye be 10 minutes be na fi akwa homa no so akwa kosua de. The air tree a addition because a conflict mentime ho ase. Na ye ka conflict but we addition ti and ye de ba form because akoma wosro a yenso ye hinya mu. To say Bawku, to say Nyoma Ekoso NDC MPP mu. Edru say ya ye media na ye de ba fam. Say de be ya yenso yenko kebingum emma ebufu emma. Eno ho adesua ene yesua. First of all, ye ka conflict any day. Ye ka conflict ye normal. Say me no mienu ya adwene enko benkromu. Eye normal. Enti wo fia oyire ni okunu. Ayedea mentime ho ase beba NDC MPP ayedea mentime ho ase beba Presbyterian ni Methodist ayedea mentime ho ase beba enti se mentime ho ase ana wonto ho ase wo nyoma bi ho uni nipa ba ko ana mienu bi ahia no normal enti wana o masua bibi e fa conflict ho no e be cho say conflict is not bad. Sementi bibi ase a eboaye ma bibi e frɛ no logical negotiation, logical reasoning. O kana me so maka na afie nyina ya gye atum. Eno nti na bia obi ka bibi na wonti asa wo so be kan wo de but enye ntokwa. Enti se conflict ni ho a emma nipa enko nanim. Enti wona o masua argument, logical reasoning no, ye frɛ nkrofo bi sophist, ye frɛ bibi philosophers. Sophist for no ye nkrofo a o metime de kasade adadawo, che se eyen kontompo kro betimi adadawa mo agye ne de na tum. But one of your philosophers no be catch you say there be and you may be a ye ni nyina yenye ne yenyere ho towards the truth no credie but ni nyina so ka ho enti na betimi ahu say politician betimi abedada de no kra nya no kra ba beji atum sankofo no ye from the sophist omu wo the way mu si kasa enti ma catch you say conflict de eye den a me nsem a me kanya ni nyina na obi otie me ope ena nya nsem ni nyina na wo ka me so mepe ba ye nyina ye to ho NDC serial callers, MPP serial callers, Obia Tre na adwen eyesanete. Nemum de ana ehunu ne se, mentime ho ase ne kodru ebra afi de akwakoye ntokwa. Wenya ni obepra no, wenya ni obekeka nsemu na kire no, wenya ni a obetwitwa na kunu no. Na afi a movie from conflict to violent conflict. A movie from conflict, say mentime ho ase ye normal no, to now violent afi de na akoye ntokwa. Enti entokwa ni nya bema afi de na conflict no problem aba. But what you say? Now conflict no na no me bo so kakra but ma me fa nko book mu. Ma me ncho the 5 phases of conflict. Ye fa entokwa de mpenche ba e wo mu nchichemu enum. Jeff project ma me quickly na ye nko. Ye wo mu enum na enum no ewo eho interase Kofi ma adwemra. Now the first one no you be projecting here, the first one kind of pre-conflict na no me kire omu
sure
into pre-conflict ni say te say wo fa kusase for ne mampurusi for na
yeah
kusase for no susu say omu ne doso
sure
mampurusi for no esa ena omu susu say enkofo bi pese mampurusi for esi hini bi ma kusasefo kusasefo ne se omumpre omususu se kusasefo no mum ene dɔɔso nti ohini bia na enye kusase not from Mamprusi.
Say historically no Mamprusi for no edi adia ena kusasefo no fin se ye ne dɔɔso
yeah
nti nkese ye ne ene yesi ensu ne edi ade so ohun nti ade na koye te se ye majority kusasefo ye pese ye di ade ena Mamprusi for nso so omo so na tete no enyina ade ba wo yan ne asase ne ye di ade that has been the background.
So the point is that they feel say kusasefo wo hini that any asa pe or hini for free Mamprusi e ba be show mo kon nti na that Mamprusi ni no ne ni kwanse ye de ne ko ena mo force na de ne ko wura ho ena de ntokwa na ba. So now let's look at the phases. We are or say conflict is widespread phenomenon. There are different types: political, social, economic, and everything. But yeah, well, maybe a friend of pre-conflict. Pre-conflict.
Sure.
Pre-conflict in here to say na shasi na kusasi for say mem prema Mamprusi for no. embedi hini
sure
eno mo sha ase o
ti de kwotwetwe bae
de kwotwetwe mempre because ye won ye hini dada ye ne edoso ye mpre mama mprosi kusasi for na ye pe
sure
that is pre-conflict now pre-conflict no ya na a time obi sha abufuo obi kan sem a wan hwa abubefu
right
so when timi manage ni ya afi na ko bibi e friend confrontation also who confrontation o the confrontation ni say mo mpra yen so ye mpre
sure
to ye kusase yen so ye man prusi for ye de ohene ne beba
ntia so asase na mesumi di hia the confrontation stage ni me di hia
boot for boot
me di hia
NDC for say some ye rofa yen so ye di besi
nti wo de ba na me di asie ni
and no ye confrontation yen so ye mema o so what is obi ka say na de mema ni ha yen so ye mema o opa wontin street ni mu on the way say can na say edru confrontation e hono na we nya nkofo amoma nso ano a na we ka me de besi ene e beko opa yentinsim na obi anka say eye muntwa so a e de bibi e friend crisis ba nti crisis ne ye bre na afi de ntokwana sha ase
sure
crisis ne ye bre na afi de ntokwana ye hu hwe nya eno na edru kusase a nkofo hyehye nyoma nkofo dan police for ya boy bituo
ye kum innocent
people 300 lives have been lost kusase mamprusi crisis no because time omu ye say ye mpre ye be pre memfa ma ye de beba manyofo ni bi hyehye ase no eno mantimi am manage say ye nyai
na koduru de eduru no
because omu susu say party bi ene force ye ma mamprusi hene ni wura ho mi wan so na nkofo say ni kwan so wura ho
sure
ena omu force omu tia ne se wura ho ena akwakofa problem ni nyina aba eno mpeso omu de hye baumia kra no nim ho hwe odi ase because omu susu baumia mamprusi na ban no ne na se for but that time kra no ni because na bia na for no kra se mane nko to our campaign na se no te say ye say mamprusi ohene so ko ohene no ye de ne ko wawura boko and omu de politics omu ye amanyosem and I say a drew crisis no they say crisis ni ewu no ni pewu ye hye nkrofo ye bon nkrofo emma emema they say abrantie bi akokun obi ono nso ma chena hye no kyesa nsem basa
that a brand an issue no in fact na enra na me follow kakra na abantie bi amene no page na o se nabusuafo efre no be 12 pm se nipa bi abeto ahye omo so omo eye kosasefo bi se yi abeto ahye omo so omo shutu nti obakuni nua baako ene ono no frɛ wo so onim asojafo bi a omo ye ne wo frɛ bi no mo na sojas no call nti sojas no call mo nkofo no exchange arms bullets eti omo exchange of fire na chese nkofo no mu be force sen wu ena omo aka no pu ha omo dwane ye to omo dwane ye no no si na adwi mu no osusu se bi ko share ewura mu ho na omo target is our police for no but at that moment na police for no so nhye uniform ni ntino they might not know so omo ye police officers and omo ye kromu ofo no bia omo be hwehwe omo achi omo kun no omo sukun e bia omo kun ono na adwen no eti no my foot we so be stress police for no omo mission wo ho no se wo call out achi uniform and now be call out nso a tena police car mu ana say mon prepare mu hu ye say bia mo call out unante casual no mu hu say bia wo ye bia wo ye o be fin say bia mo be hwehwe o mo adwane no enti o mo so di be hia and you see or can say no narrative na be hwehwe police statement na me we say police for no is referring to armed robbers at a conflict zone na armed robbers there. In fact, when I listen, me hear what police for any statement na me raho, and you see, nana baby edru say no. As you said, the pre-conflict, the confrontational level was not handled properly, and a crisis management and so no, you would different approach. Udikum, you don't just manage crisis. Wabra own share two parties no, as to say. The underlying, you know, you know, we are all talking about we call we land so we call we market. I didn't know we call we land so will be a problem. You get maybe Nancy. So you look at all those situations, then I see enti and the way back ha so oba market here. We so open money market him. Because if you are wodi, obi beji obi sika. Ansa no wayiye nti ko dwa no odie se ne tamfo kra beto a eso oton ma no no onya ne sika di ko tondi no ma ne bi begu achi ba de nti na we mpene ma we ma And so the real issue is about himself.
Yen solve
it. It is all can say meja himself no, and then I'm looking at how trade will be facilitated. It is security officers in Nibinu Munko Dija. Yen protective in Munko Dija. The conflict will never end unless you have solved that issue.
They know.
Yes.
They know. Say, and I say, unfortunately, omudi amanyosem.
Sure.
Even John Mahama Crow, president, or the amanyosem. And that was unfortunate. I mean, I don't think there was a president, the amanyosem.
I heard no say there is no conflict, cry.
No, I say na make us what the amanyosem. John Mahama, president, or the amanyosem.
Sure.
Oh, and I drew into a drew say abos half MPP for and so esu say what the amanyosem and wa solve. Because issue no nim say ye who amanyosem ya hensem a yebetimi solve.
That is it.
And at this time no cry there. John Mahama any Dr. Baumia also mumienu solve together.
Yeah.
This is a
because they are all from there.
That is it. No a year man prusini.
Baumia.
Enti e was say yenya man prusi yenya kusasefo a omutu omu ho ase. Na omu nyina kabom say yenya de ye no. That's the only thing ebetimi stop it. Because they say akwakoye MPP man prusi against NDC kusasi.
Sure.
And that is dangerous because kusasi for no to do na to my NDC because John Mahama so about be solve it.
Yeah.
And no na yentimi kan wansem eni kwansa na dey politics.
But another truth is that all these political parties know obia ni wa obetumi solve issue. That is the real truth. Because MPP na no na kwakwate, that's the best truth of kind. Say they can't go and do that. Because NDC for a moment we say omo na na cause that problem. It is a as omo ye cause no better no ma kwa mediate. It's a challenge. A kasa. But you know, say, and our can also be the best score political point. And so in crisis like this, you need a neutral person. And I agree with the decision that Oteko course won't call. Oteko course won't be me solve with this issue when it comes in.
But in solving situations like that, you need stakeholders.
Yes.
And Yewra ebeye, but the influence of Dr. Baumia for the MPP, John Dramani Mahama for the NDC can help as a processes no, because the moment amanyofo because a tuoni na se for no e amanyofo na etoma wo
na na woni mi say me hwe video no ba ko na youth ni bi kasa and ade omo kan say politicians and na ama ade na ye den aye basa they have turned it to NDC MPP in da na ba ko kase NDC baso no omo so yisu security no to help the other faction. Enti omuma police for no nko omuma soldier for no dey free kromo because they are the people causing the problem. Why would they say that? Who sent them there? Is it not the same government? What would they mention? They believe say I have political influence.
But then you need a leader. Where say be me what from a leader free crime aba. Now or a professional, whether you're Kusasi policeman or Mamprusi policeman, no, you do according to my command. Onya yebe fire. It's as simple as that. Just being professional. It's a matter of a leader, no. What you say, a leader, no, now makes you so where you never free ho. Because a commander, no, nature say, Buakusasi fonkwa, and I say Buamampusi fonkwa. So you go there and allow the relevant people. Police in India, who is so police in not because of a Mamprusi and answer where me say, Yewra, and I'm sure say, Yewra, Ninim Diemuno. The influence of Dr. Baumia, and then John Mahama. Any other fashions, no, they must and omukase masa. Yeah, in politics, yeah, kiya who free ma fenian so what ahinsem no.
Yeah, I believe in Nhyira. Say he will know how to, handle this issue. Why you be paying? And I believe that this one is not something maybe own to me and can. But on a more serious note, now we can command this. Nana, so follow situation now. Many reports be me reading for ya more been more can. Yes, the police commanders, even the senior officers, a bit more high. A copy baby papa momada. I feed you a man of Perry and Yumre. Senior officer pending for no. Omo ebi da hotels ebi da baby kama. And then they've left these guys. Omo boys no more peacekeeping no. Omo there some of them in hot rooms aduane ni nsuo kura ebi no benom no. And people who are on missions. Utietie mu kura mrantie mienu ya yeso omo kwa akoye yi. Omo di motoko yi. Police for mienu ya yeshutu omo. Utietie mu they went to find food and water. Aduane. Oh, which is serious. I mean, why? would it be that way? Omo missions. You get it? And so Bibia Omu here no should be provided for them.
Right.
Because it's state agency.
Well, these are things that we would investigate. But I think the key thing is that right now, who say what crisis muno. Everything. And I think that is so much resolution. And no more so say yura. But right now, Mugusu kun akomada so wo form ewosoro and edding. I think that the only thing right now, pa dear, this say soldiers no yeti bebre kugum.
Now I was talking to one senior officer be on that, and what he was saying is and also ekobane say na say soldiers no first attempt with the soldiers no. Was the first attempt with the soldiers no. Say nana eho no eko yes ye krokro no. Oh, because almost more steps omu tiki. This all the military ni be take higher we are not just say it means say sabre no. Akoye come back to. Akoye ade a omu ko gina animu pa akoye tututu ne ade o. But ye hwe say at this time nipa bebre ensa enwu nka de ewu no. And say all the soldiers ko na ekoye say ye krokro no, ye sorosoro defense no one. Na ensemu a it will be very difficult for them to curtail it again.
I think soldiers can work professionally baby edru no. I say it soldiers bebre kugum bibiri. That's because moving from politics and timi ahim for no attention aba. This is the soldiers na manage situation. God say it through this time I war. War on so issues so the police for you said and training with war. And
you see that is where we haven't declared war. Say so we should be in but we won't declare.
And yes, we declare Obi can just say war.
But before they send the soldiers to do that, it was so declare say they are going to defend the people. Then a man and Kwadani are there no a woman no strategies ben ye be evacuate to man sana they face the terrorists or
what is happening with the sound and all those things. Albert sorry, a multimedia journalist. Upper
East. Okay.
Until you say a tia de koso na all the brofun kwa na umbeka.
Okay.
Yeah.